Several countries have started to open up their borders to international travelers, and Dubai is among the first few to do so. It reopened to visitors on the 1st of August and since then, has seen a slow influx of people itching to get out and start to enjoy life again.
Are you also thinking of packing your bags and heading out to Dubai? Here's what you need to know about having a safe trip and back. What all do you need to carry?
Other than your personal items such as clothes, accessories, shoes and bottles of suntan lotion, you must have valid health insurance and a negative COVID test conducted 48 hours before departure by a nationally recognized body. You will be required to show the certificate at check-in, fill in a self-declaration health form and register on the COVID-19 DXB app before boarding your flight for Dubai. If you show any symptoms, the airline has every right to stop you from boarding. Upon landing, you will be subject to a thermal screening and only when you test negative will you be allowed to proceed. If you show any symptoms or test positive, you will have to be quarantined at a chosen institutional facility at your own cost for 14 days. So, what's the COVID situation like in Dubai?
Dubai has always been all about the sun, the sand, shopping and the best hotels. Nothing's changed post-COVID-19. You still get it all. The only difference is that now it comes veiled in restrictions and guidelines that have been put in place for everyone's safety. Yes, masks are compulsory in public, except when you are exercising, eating or drinking, in a car with your family, or are alone. This includes being masked in taxis, which currently allow just 2 passengers. Masks are compulsory while traveling on Dubai Metro as well, and keeping a 2-meter social distance is mandatory. Masks can feel irritating in the UAE heat, but they are the reason you can think of visiting a country with a low infection rate. It is only because of these safety checks and protocols that Dubai's resorts have managed to reopen just as swiftly and safely. And as visitors, you must be ready to embrace them too, or be willing to pay a hefty 3,000 dirham fine. Excited to plan your next trip to Dubai? Make sure to follow the COVID-19 safety guidelines and call us for the best currency exchange rates.